Ooh, welcome back to the channel, guys. Fun 30, guys. Look, typical Wrangler, right? Now, I'm over here trying to open the hood. Y'all know how to open the hood on a Wrangler, right? Simply release the tabs on the hood. Now, one would think once that's up and the hood dangling like that, you're ready to come up, right? Just simply grab a hold to a bar. But, ladies and gentlemen, I was over here freaking out, looking for a bar. I thought there was one. I'm pulling on this. How the hell? How you open this thing? Because it's loose, right? Ready to go. So I even went so far as to go. That's a Wrangler now, man. I went back into the car or the Jeep looking for a release tab just to find nothing, right? So I'm panicking. Oh my goodness. Guys, there's still some things I haven't seen. On contrary what you may believe, this is new to me. So finally I yelled over to the porter. The freaking guy that changed oil, right? Now, I'm not belittling his profession. We all start somewhere. Anyway, he goes and say, JT, come on, man. This has a lock on it. Look, so he pulled his tab, right? And lo and behold, there's a key right there. Now, this key has to be. So what we do, we go and grab the key change. The customer key change out of there. This it right here. I don't want y'all to see. Let me take this off right quick. All right. This is the customer keychain. Now, one would think something like this is the key, or something like this, since, you know, it's on, and this happened to be the key to the Jeep. All right, so I lift this up, and I go. I try this, nothing. I try this, nothing. I even tried the red one, nothing. What are the likelihood chances of it being this? Yes, guys, this is the freaking key. So you set that in there using one hand. That's why it's kind of hard. Oh, you press down on it like that. So it's open now, right? So let me close this again and turn this. Right now you can't open. So you put the key in. And you turn it counterclockwise, I want to say. Look. See that in the hood, just let it. Now from there you can let it up. Alright, that's how I was able to get in it. So what that tells me, guys, yes, the lock is tied into the latch. But what that also tells me is, because you can't just buy a lock actuator assembly already keyed to the key to the car. This fit the ignition and the door. So obviously somebody had to get the key code and the tumbler numbers and match this lock actuator to the key actuator tumblers to match this key. All right, makes sense, right? That way you can keep one key to do all of that. All right, so you technically just need this and you don't need all this other stuff. So if the customer just had this alone, this probably, I wonder if they got a locking gas cap. If so, you can recode your key actuator part to match the key to your car. Yeah, go figure. They don't want you to get under the hood, but they don't mind you getting in the gas tank. Wow, go figure. Also, keep in mind, my thinking is, guys, they don't want nothing on your hood. This day and age, times we're living in now, they want your cat converter. And this is a Jeep, it's higher up, so the guy can easily crawl under there and get your cat converter. Why are you locking what's under your hood? I don't know. All right, so just a little fun fact, guys. Yes, try this next time if this happened to you. All right, let me go to the next car. Stay tuned. What's real quick, guys? Oil filter adapter housing, 2017 Cherokee. I'm getting ready to replace it. Got an oil leak. Now, guys, let me show y'all something. Oh, first of all, y'all see that big old M? Mopar OEM parts, guys. None of that Derman stuff over here, man. Y'all know the drill. Let me highlight something. Let me update y'all on something. Y'all see this? This is a new revised oil filter adapter housing. We all are aware of that. But there have been some changes, guys. So I want to go over that with y'all so you all do not install this in the wrong car and have a leak. All right? Y'all see this seal right here? They have updated this. Now, let me go over something that was included in the box. If this is a 2022 model, guys, just set it in. You don't have to make no changes. If it's between 2014 and 2021, which is what this is, a 2017, I got to stick the red O-ring on it, guys. All right, here's my, yeah, this came in the box too. So this is a new O-ring I'm getting. It's revised, guys. So it goes on the nipple, the inlet nipple right here. All right, I see that. So I'm gonna have to change that to red. All right, guys. OFA, the technical name, oil filter adapter housing. Alrighty, guys. I can't fight it no more. I'm trying to look for a coolant leak with my typical pump style pressure gauge. I can hear the air leaking out, and I'm just pumping and nothing happening. So my buddy's about to come over here with his air pressure cooling system tester. It's gonna pressurize the system, but it uses air. So he's on his way. I don't want him to know I'm filming him. All right, so y'all gonna have to be quiet. All right, shh, shh.
Turn your camera on.
Go, man.
Turn your camera on, man.
It's not on. Where you go?
Then turn your camera on.
So come on, because I gotta find out which is that the one I'm gonna get.
Be loyal with
I gotta find out is that the one I'm gonna get, because there's different kinds. And I want to see.
He can't edit out me talking if he doesn't have.
Well, you just
see what happens.
Ooh, I hear something. Wait.
Yeah, you ain't got no pressure buildup.
Yeah, I was over here pumping my ass off. Nothing happening. What's that noise?
13 and 14. It's back that way.
Ah, come on, man, you blew it. Y'all see what kind of part that is. Y'all see these symptoms right here, and on top of that, the engine bangs in and out of gear. Now, let's talk about replacing this. Guys, there is no way around it, okay? This battery tray, I call this battery tray from hell, okay? It has to be removed in order to get to this mount. Now, I know a lot of guys would just simply break off a couple of ends right here, snap off a couple of this and that, pretend nobody ever did it, or just hope don't nobody see it. But it's not that hard. In fact, it is kind of hard. I ain't gonna even lie. You don't have to remove it all the way. You just got to get it up so you can move it out the way just to clear this part of this motor mount right here. Once you get this out the way, you home city. But yeah, this motor mount, this is a hydraulic mount that has fluid in it that will leak all over the place. And on top of that, like I say, it's banging in and out of gear. It's crazy, man, but this battery tray from hell have to come out to do it the right way. Well, guys, I finally got this cat converter off of this Jeep. I'm doing the recall on U67, guys. Remember, don't waste $1,000 on a cat converter when you probably can get one for free under the recall program. Now, what dawned on me is, guys, I'm getting all happy thinking oh my God, I get to keep this cat converter. I can sell it $40, $50. You know, it's a hot item right now. But guess what? Wrong. I got to turn it in back to warranty. And they got to cut it up into pieces and send just the cat part back to I don't know, the reman company that make them. I don't know, but I thought I get to keep these. I don't even think it's worth it anymore, guys. They put you through hell and high water just to sell a cat converter now. Last time I was at the scrap yard, he wanted my ID, my birth certificate, my driving license, my mama last name, my daddy last, my cousin Pookie, everybody. Yeah, I can't give you all that information just for a cat converter. So never mind. I don't get to keep the cat. They can have it back.